YouTube, welcome back to the channel. As y'all can tell in the title, we got another POV video for you guys in my Challenger SXT. In my previous video, you guys really loved that video, so I'm making a part 2. As I said, I'm here to give a V6 community some love. I know a lot of people out there with the V6 get criticized because they don't feel comfortable because they don't have the V8. And I'm just here to give a V6 some love. As I said, love your car. Don't let nobody judge you. As I said, man, spend what you have the money to spend. Don't go in debt trying to impress others. So as I said, V8 guys welcome, V6 guys welcome, but I'm finna give y'all a POV my Challenger SXT. So you know, man, let's hit the road. You guys really love these POV videos, so I'm gonna give y'all some more. What?
Hold it real quick so I can see what on.
And people call these cars slow, but these cars aren't slow. They're producing 300 horsepower. Like, it's not slow. So don't feel embarrassed about that. Do a little driving in the city, in the neighborhood. And these cars run really smooth. So if you're looking to get a Challenger SXT, I say get it. It's a good car. The speed is there, the looks. The only thing that this car truly is missing is the sound, the big roar of the roar of the V8. It really don't have that. But besides that, it's a great car. I'm gonna do a pull for y'all when I get around this corner right here. Not bad on performance at all. It keeps up with, I won't say anything, but any average car this car gonna beat. Most cars aren't making 300 horsepower. The average car is not making 300 horsepower. And this car handles fantastic. I feel very comfortable while driving this car. It's not stressful. This car handles perfectly. Around these corners. And these cars are made for like long distance. Like this, the Challenger or the Charger aren't best drifting cars. I'll leave that to the Mustang and the Camaro and stuff like that. But straight line drive, this car do damage. Not bad at all, man. This car is very fun. That's why I hate when people who have V8s, which are great cars, I feel like it's crazy to criticize people with smaller engines. Like it don't make any sense to me. Like I'm saying, eventually I have the V8. Eventually, I don't know when or whatever. But like my V6 is like, it's great. I love it. I wouldn't trade it for nothing in the world right now. It's great. Of course, I would trade it for like a Scat Pack, but you know I'm not desperate because it's a fun car. As long as your vehicle gets you from A to B, that's all that matters. get a mid muffler delete on my car because I wanted some more sound, and it was worth every penny. It sounds great. You really do. And the drive of this car is so smooth. What you think? To you, is it smooth?
Yeah.
These cars are meant for back roads. These cars are meant for back roads. To be honest, I don't even know where we at. I'm just driving. I said if you line an average car up next to this one and like race, 9 times out of 10 this car gonna win. But if you add like a car with over 300 horsepower, which most average cars don't have, this car wins easily. So one, you get the sports car look, which is what everybody wants. 2, you get good speed because this car is not slow at all. And 3, you get that muscle car feel, and everybody want that muscle car feel. It don't matter if you in the Charger or Challenger, you get that muscle car feel, so it really don't matter. I'm about to roll my windows down so y'all can hear my exhaust a little more. Get up and go, I ain't gonna lie, boy. What the freak? Hey, I don't know who said the V6 don't move. Who said that? Greta, who said that? Greta, who said that? Hey, cause hey, we moving around these corners, ain't it? This car handles great. It really does. So as I said, if you clicked on this video, look at him. Watch this. He broke his neck. Hakuna Matata. And what a wonderful phrase. The V6 is slugged on. But yeah, as I was saying, if you clicked on this video because you in the market to get a Challenger SXT, and if you want my opinion, I say go get one, man. Don't listen to the outside world. It's your car, your money. Spend it how you like it and go get what you want. That's what I said do. V8 don't matter. V6 don't matter. You get what you want at the end of the day. And if you want the V8 but only got money for the V6, get the V6, stack your money, trade it in, boom, V8. Or wait, stack your money, build your credit, boom, V8. It all depends on what route you want to take, but any route possible. It really is. I'm about to pull in and hit a U-turn up here. So we can head back the other way. Where are we?
I have no idea.
We going to Monticello, I'm pretty sure. So, Great Dog, in your opinion, how does this car feel to you? Like, fast, smooth, what?
All of the above.
Is it fast?
It's a great beginner car.
It's quick?
Great, yeah.
Because most people fear of getting this car because of speed. They don't think it has enough power.
No, this car scares me because of the speed.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's not slow, it's fast. I'm just pulling into these random people's yard. Get out of here, that's how you get shot. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Watch it right here. It might do it. This car do have the potential to leave some scratch marks, you know what I mean? It has potential. I'm gonna roll down my window so y'all can hear it. Oh, there's the car.
I'm kind of scared.
You scared?
Yeah.
Why? Why? It's a bit. It's just got. It's a V6. Ain't gonna do too much. Nah. What you just got up? Driven. You know what I'm saying? Fun cars, fun cars. If you know what you're doing, this car is more than enough fun. I got you. Ain't nothing to worry about. Big dog in the driver's seat. I ain't gonna lie. Fun, right? Seriously, you sweating in job? That's crazy. But yeah, my channel is based on car videos, mainly Dodge, but I will make some Camaro videos, some Mustang videos, but strictly Dodge. So if you a big Mopar fan, Mopar no car, all my Mopar people, join the family, hit the sub button. On the road to 1K, we doing plenty of car videos, so make sure y'all stay tuned. This strictly car channel. I also do pranks and sports, but mostly cars. What a wonderful phrase. You look nervous, right?
Yeah. Fast for me. I don't like fast cars.
You don't like fast cars?
Not
fast cars fun.
Not unless I'm driving.
Nah, I don't know about that one. That's scary. Hey, I do want the V8. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure most people who have a V6, not all. Most people who have a V6 want the V8. I'm like, yes, of course. But don't beat yourself up. You'll get it. Time is key. You'll get it.
I can't wait to get this Camaro.
I can't wait for you to get a Camaro either so I can dust you. What? School bus?
Or Charger, I don't know. You keep telling me Charger.
Yeah, I mean, I like the Charger. I'll take the Charger over the Camaro. But the highest trim Camaro and the highest trim Charger, I definitely had to go with the highest trim Charger. But Scat Pack Charger or ZL1, I'm gonna go ZL1. Let me pass this bus for y'all real quick. Show the kids the speed. Oh, who's that? Guys, look, who's that in that Challenger? It's so cool. Bus wide though.
Yeah.
So I gotta be very careful.
It looks like it don't want it to pass you. It's riding in like the middle of the road.
It is riding in the middle of the road. What? So, as I said, that's gonna wrap up this POV video. If y'all enjoyed this POV and want to see more Challenger POV videos, let me know in the comments. I really do this for y'all. As I said, the V6 is a good car. V8 also a great car. I love both of them. I will upgrade to the V8 eventually. But I just said, don't beat yourself up just because you don't have a V6. V8 people love V6 people. V6 people love V8 people. We all one big family. So as I said, I love my supporters. I appreciate y'all for, if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. And so with that being said, I will catch y'all in this video.